Jahnavi. Hi everyone, I am Jahnavi teacher and today we learn days of the weeks. Are you ready to have some adventure and fun? Let's go! Days of the week are like coolest puzzle ever. There are 7 of them and we use them to know what day it is. We learn them one by one. First one is Sunday. It's the day when we can relax and we can have fun with our family and friends. It's like a sunny day of rest. Next is Monday. It's when we start the week. Time to get up, get dressed and go to your school. It's like the moon saying time to begin. Next comes Tuesday. It's a day for tacos. Yum! Maybe other cool things too. It's like a taco Tuesday. Next comes the Wednesday. We are halfway through the week. It's time to learn and have fun. It's like a day for school and a box. Next is Thursday. We are almost at the weekend. It's a day for adventure and being awesome. It's like an explorer day. And next is the Friday. It's the best day. Because the weekend is almost there. We can have fun and be super happy. It's like a day for a party. Then comes Saturday. It's the weekend. We can play, relax and have even more fun. It's like a day for playing. So we have You are the days of the week expert now. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye friends.